Gold against US dollar has found again a great support, this around 1.1980, sorry, around this price level, and then it has bounced back up. We can see that after the previous week has made a breakout to the upside of this area here, which is a supply zone, then the price has returned back down, testing the previous supply zone and also the resistance, now acting as a support, and we have seen that the gold has confirmed this valid breakout to the upside with this great support. Now the breakout has happened with this candle, and the second candle did not return back inside, but also the second candle did not reach the previous support, now previous resistance, now acting as support. But it has happened on a second candle. We can see it here on the Tuesday. On the Wednesday, the price has formed this bullish pin bar right here on the great support and the demand zone. After that, the price has returned back up, and it has tried to make a breakout again, reaching around 2016. But the price on a Friday has gone a little bit down because of the traders getting out of their trades and locking their profits. Let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame. After the previous week has made a breakout, we can see it here. The previous week has confirmed the breakout to the upside as a valid one, and then continued to move to the higher price levels. Now this breakout has been here, but also the breakout has happened also this one here. After this one has happened, we can see that the price will return down and confirm this breakout as a valid one. The next one we can see it here for the price is this one here, which is visible that the price has touched this week, and the next one is also here, 2015 price level. It is also 2016. Now let's see how the month has ended. And we can see that this month has ended as a bullish engulfing candle, encompassing 1, 2, 3, 4 previous month, which is suggesting that the price has found enough strength and there are bulls that are pushing the price to higher price levels. Very important level for the price was here around this area, which is 1980, that has been broken on the monthly time frame, and a very important level for the price will be now this one here, 1988. We can round it to 1990 for the price to make a breakout to the upside for this month. But also we can see when the price was heading up, similar case was here, where the large candle, bullish candle, has been formed as a bullish engulfing candle. The price has reached this 2050, then returned back down, and then also touching again 2072 price level, and then return back down. The similar scenario is happening here, so we can say that I am expecting that the price will reach 2072 in the following months. If the price goes down and something happens bad for the gold, the next level, the first level where the price needs to make a breakout is this one here, 1940. We can round it, and below that it will be this one here, 1918. Very important levels. We can see it here in the last months, which has prevented the price from moving up or from falling down. These are the levels. Now we can see how this looks on the weekly time frame. The price has gone outside of this small downtrend channel. The price has made a breakout, so I'm expecting that the price will try to make to reach higher price levels than it currently is, because of this also confirming the previous resistance now acting as a support. Very important levels for the price that needs to break is 2016, and after that we will see will the price manage to make a breakout to the upside. On the daily time frame, just a minute, let's take a look at this. Okay, and let's stretch this one here so we can see in the past what has happened. We can see that the price has currently the price is here, so the breakout has happened around this price level. So in the past, if we go and look for the similar scenario based on the technical analysis I'm making, the price has made a breakout to the upside, then returned back down. We can see it around this price level. This has happened also in this case, and then the price made a breakout to the upside, where the price has found a great supply zone and also resistance around 2016, sorry, and then return it back down. We can see that the price stopped around this price level here in the past, bounced back down, and then also try to reach higher price levels. In this case, it's a similar scenario where the price try to reach higher price levels in this case, but then return it and then push it again above. This is similar scenario, so I'm expecting that the price will try to make a breakout to the upside and reach it to 2020. We can round it this one, which is upper side of this supply zone. And then from there, the price could bounce again back down and try to make a breakout to the upside. If the breakout happens, we can see what happens. This is a great supply zone where the price will probably find a great resistance and it will retrace back down. So these are very critical levels for the price. On the lower side, if the price doesn't go below this one, which is 19, also this one is the lower side of this demand zone, it is 1972, very critical level for the price that needs to hold in order for the price to continue to move up to the higher price levels. For me, on the daily time frame, everything looks that the price will continue to reach higher price levels, and that is 2016. This is a supply zone around this horizontal resistance line, and after that we'll see will the price manage to make a breakout to the upside and then confirming its breakout as a valid one and finding again a move to the upside. So this is an important level for the price. On the lower side, this one is important to hold, and then we will see what happens in the next week. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.